In this video, I'll show you how to create your first Gantt layout in PowerTable. To begin, create a new PowerTable sheet and click on Create New App. Then, select the Fabric SQL database where you want to store and manage the data. Since we want to import the data from an Excel file, choose New Table as the data source. Select Excel as the import type and upload your Excel file. Click Next where you can preview the imported data and make any necessary changes using the available options. On the final step, review the detected columns and their data types. Make any required updates and click on Finish. Finally, click on Done to complete the import. The data has been successfully imported into PowerTable and displayed in the table layout. Go to PowerTable and from the Layout dropdown, click on Gantt. The Gantt Layout configuration pop-up will appear. To set up a basic Gantt, select your Start Date column and End Date column. If your data does not contain an End Date column, you can use the Duration column instead. Below that, you'll see the Task ID field, which is automatically populated with the primary key of the table. Once the required fields are mapped, click on Save. To simplify the grid view in Gantt Layout, open Manage Columns to hide and show required columns in the grid. You can now interact directly with the Gantt by resizing the taskbar to adjust the start or end date, or by dragging the entire bar to move the task schedule. You can also edit the details in the grid that are instantly reflected in the Gantt bars. Click on any taskbar to open the Record Details, where you can view and update all the details for the selected task. Next, let's customize the appearance of the Gantt layout. Go to the Format tab and in Edit Gantt, click on Label. A side panel will open where you can show or hide data labels using the toggle. Then choose which column values should appear as the labels through the Based On option. Further, you can customize the label's look and feel using the available formatting settings. In the Data Color tab, you can choose and update the colors of the taskbars. With these steps, you can quickly visualize project schedules, update task timelines, and tailor the layout to match your project or task management needs.